Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to find old clan in Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Unfortunately, you're going to have to keep searching. There is no way to see which clans you were previously in. The only way you'll be able to find them is by searching through the clan search page and scrolling through until you find it. If you really only remember the name, you might be out of luck. The more information you have for the search, the easier it'll be to find them. Best of luck! I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.